my name's Sasha and today I want to show you how to do a macrame bracelet. Okay, for this project you need 3 equal lengths of string, some scissors, some beads and a clasp and some little loops. And we'll get started. I'm going to start in the middle of the string, so I'm going to thread a bead. Okay, I really struggled with that bead, so I got a needle and I got it on. So now let's put a knot in the middle of the string about here. There we go. And then I'm going to pull this bead up to that knot. I'm going to do 3 knots in between each bead. I'm going to continue off camera doing this, and I'll finish this side and then we can start again on the other side. Okay, I've got this far with the beads and now I want to go on the other side of this knot. I've put a bead on. All 3 strings are in the bead, and then I want to do another knot here. Okay, I got the knot done and I'm going to clip it into here, and then I'm going to do the same thing that I did on that side. I'm going to do on this side. I've got this far and I've got the little bead in the middle and I've got these long pieces on the end. I was a bit ambitious with the amount of string on the end, but now let's do the clasp. So I've added a clip on the end with different colored string that will help you see better the process of these knots. Okay, if you want to add some beads on the end here, that will be pretty for a little dangly like a charm, but I'm just going to cut them off today. There we go. Okay, this is just a demonstration with the different colors of how to do the knots. So first of all we're gonna put the white down, and I'm just going to use my scissors just to keep it that way, and then the black one is going under the white one and over the brown one, and then the brown one is going over the white one and under the black one, and then you just pull it tight. Pull all 3 tight. Okay, gonna do that again. It's gonna be opposite now. So the brown one goes under the white one and over the black one. So this black one is now going over the white one and under the brown one. It'll look like that, and you want to pull it tight. Hope you enjoyed watching me make a macrame bracelet. Please like and subscribe to see more projects.